Today we're showing you a 2015 Kubota L3301 tractor. It's a four-wheel drive tractor with a Kubota LA525 quick attach front loader. The tractor has a hydrostatic transmission, has under 100 hours. It's practically new. It does have the front bucket to go with it. And again, the loader, LA525, does have the front grill guard. Paint's in really nice shape on the tractor and loader. Still have the ridges in the front tires, they're like new. And again, it does have the hydrostatic transmission. You've got the treadle pedal here for forward and reverse. Have three ranges over there to the left of the seat. Right of the seat here, you've got your 3-point control and your PTO engagement. It's a pretty simple little tractor. It's very easy to operate, very easy to understand. It does have a 3-point hitch and top link, 540 PTO. Foldable rollover bar, has a toolbox back here. As you can see, it's a very, very clean little tractor. Cup holder in the fender. We do take trades, also offer trucking and financing. If you have any questions regarding this unit, please contact us.